Welcome to a video tutorial on expanding your search in Scopus. In this example, you are interested in face recognition technology and the use of photonics. The asterisk will function as a wildcard and retrieve variations on your word. In Scopus, the OR operator will be executed before the AND operator. This search yields 47 results. You want to find additional articles. Since this is a relatively new topic, you decide to look for articles that have cited any of these 47. Above the list of results, select All. You can also select individual records using the checkbox to the left of the title. Next, click View Cited By in the bar at the top of your results list. These records will likely be relevant for your research. Another way to expand your search is to view the references in your relevant documents. Select Back at the top left to return to your original 47 documents. In the bar at the top of your results, select the ellipsis icon to see additional options. Choose View References from the drop-down menu to see all the references from your selected documents. If you come across this paper icon in your results, it means only a partial record is available in Scopus. A cited reference search gives you an understanding of how the research is evolving over time. A third way to expand your search is to view related documents. Returning to the original search, select a record of interest and click on Related Documents. This will give you a list of articles that share references with your chosen article. You can also view related documents based on shared authors and/or shared keywords, or find different types of information such as related patents. Return to your original results list, and these options will be available to you above the list of results.